Happy Fire Alarm Friday and welcome to Board System Test Form 76. For our first notification appliance of an FOS 6226-W and this device will be doing code 3. For our smoke detector review, Radiax D273TH smoke and heat detector. For our second notification appliance of a Potter SH1224R, this device will be doing code 3 and is set on 75 candela. We still have the Simplex 1298-906 test switch. For our pull stations, we have two pull stations. On the left, we have a Federal Signal 4050-001T, and on the right, we have a Firelight BG10. We still have the System Center RTS2 key test switch. However, I did change something up. You may remember I had a lot of wires all coming through a box. Well, I finally conduited it, put some conduit in, and it looks a lot cleaner. I redid the wiring in the duct detector and rewired everything to the panel. That's what it is. I mean, it doesn't look the best, but I tried. We still have the same System Sensor D4120 duct detector. That has not changed. The only thing that kind of sucks about this is that you may notice that when I am going to be filming the pull stations, you may sometimes see the back box below. I had to make it a little bit bigger, as you can see right there, because I'm sticking a lot of wires into one box. So that's just gonna be what it's gonna have to be just for right now. All the troubles are cleared and the system is normal, which is a good thing. I just want to clarify something real quick. For this test, I'll be using a mechanical horn strobe. Mechanical horn strobes only do well with DC power. I'll be using FWR power from the panel, and I will not be using battery backup for this test. So you may notice that the horn is going to sound a little bit scratchy, but hopefully in future tests I use batteries to use this device. Alright, to start off today's test, I'm going to pull the Firelight BG10. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. For our next test today, I'm going to activate the smoke detector by just spraying smoke. Here we go. Should be enough. Should go up. And the alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and reach the pull station. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my screwdriver into the top screw. I'm going to begin turning it. As you can see, it automatically reset because it kind of already opened because I'm using a screw lock. Typically you would use a hex key or an Allen key to reset this, but I'm using a screw for my pull station because my old hex screw did not work and just stopped working. So there we go. It's now reset, and now I'm going to go in the mainframe control panel, and I'm going to hit system reset. Alright, to finish off today's test, I'm going to pull the Federal Signal pull station. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And the alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and reach the pull station. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my screwdriver into the top. I'm going to begin turning the screw. Let's see here. Alright, there we go. And now I'm just going to close back into place while also putting the screw back into place. And then I'm going to tighten this back up. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, so I do apologize for some of my camera angles. Holding a camera in one hand and resetting a pull station can be difficult at times. Alright, I'm now going to go into the main firearm control panel. And I'm going to hit system reset.